Adding a payment method in Odoo allows your customers to pay through various channels like PayPal, credit cards, or bank transfers. Here's how to set it up. Log into Odoo. Access your Odoo backend with admin privileges. Go to Invoicing or Accounting module. From the dashboard, open the Invoicing or Accounting app, depending on your Odoo version. Navigate to Payment Acquirers. Click on Configuration, Payment Acquirers. This is where you manage all available payment gateways. Choose a payment provider. Select a billing provider like Stripe, PayPal, ADN, or manual payment. Click on the provider name to configure it. Activate the provider. Set the state to enabled. Then fill in the necessary API credentials or account information, which you can obtain from the provider's platform. Customize payment settings. You can specify availability by country, currency, or sales channel. Save and test. Click Save, then test the integration to ensure it's working correctly.